Experience the rush of excitement as you dive headfirst into the world of hair luminance and the endless possibilities it holds. Within its pages, find the courage to dream big and reach for the stars, knowing that anything is possible with determination and perseverance. Allow the emotions stirred by hair luminance to fuel your passion and ignite your soul with a fiery intensity. With each exhilarating revelation, feel your spirit soar as you journey towards hair that reflects the boundless energy of your dreams. With hair luminance as your constant companion, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a testament to the power of hope and ambition. Let the warmth of hair luminance envelop you like a comforting embrace, soothing your soul and easing your worries. Within its pages, find solace in the promise of a brighter tomorrow, where your hair shines with the brilliance of 1,000 suns. Allow the emotions stirred by hair luminance to fill you with a sense of calm and contentment, knowing that you are on the path to a happier, healthier you. With each gentle revelation, feel your spirit lift as you journey toward hair that reflects the beauty of your innermost desires. With hair luminance as your guiding light, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a sanctuary for your heart to flourish and thrive.